Hello everyone, welcome back to channel again. This is Cloud Institution. Today in this video we're going to see one of the very another important and very interesting interview question that can be usually asked in the during the interviews. Okay, so the interview question is going to be what is VPC flow logs? Okay, so this is part of a VPC. Okay, so we should be we should be understanding what is flow logs. So that's called VPC flow logs. And the answer for this question is going to be like VPC flow logs capture information about the IP address, IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in your VPC. Okay, so they provide the detailed information including the source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocol. So basically, what is VPC flow logs means that it's used to capture all the information about your incoming and outgoing traffics and the port numbers and whatever is happening inside a VPC. Okay, so this is used for auditing purpose. Okay, so these logs can be used for auditing purpose, and you can just track what's happening, in your so in your network. So where do you see this VPC flow logs? Okay, let's go to the VPC AWS infrastructure. We'll go and click on a VPC. Okay, so this is the VPC console, and let's click on any VPC, your VPCs, and we can see a couple of VPCs, right? So now I'm clicking on any one of the VPCs. All right, so now you can see here, so you can see flow logs. All right, so right now, I've just created some kind of a test logs, and if you want to create a new logs, okay, so you can just give a name like VPC flow logs, and so we can also have a filter that so it should accept or reject, or it should capture all the logs, right? Which means that so whatever has been accepted or whatever has been rejected, and all the logs. So what do you want to capture? Okay, so the maximum aggregation interval so the maximum interval of time during which the flow of packets is captured and then aggregated into flow logs record. So it's going to be like a time duration in which the logs has to be captured. Okay, so the destination has to be, so the destination is something nothing but, so do you want to send it to CloudWatch logs, or if you wanted to send it to the S3 bucket, if you want to send it to S3 bucket, you must be having one S3 bucket, otherwise you can create one S3 bucket and all the logs will be sent it to the S3 bucket. Okay, so send it to Amazon, data firehouse in the same account, right? So you can also send it to firehouse, and so in the different accounts, and so we can have different configuration. Okay, so send it to CloudWatch logs. Okay, so right now we have two log groups is created. Okay, so now I'm creating any one of the log groups for a test log group, and the service role, you need to be creating the service role, so in order to in order to connect your VPC to your CloudWatch. Okay, so right now I'm not creating anything, so right now I'm using some kind of a, some kind of a uh, some normal rows because it's for a testing purpose and create a full flow logs, right? So you must be creating a proper uh, the proper roles in order to in order to connect from your logs to CloudWatch. Okay, so this is what it is like, so you can see here. So in this location on the CloudWatch, you should be able to see all the, so in the under log group, you'll be able to see all the logs under here. Okay, so this is what it is, right? So now, okay, so now hope you understand this question. Like, so what is VPC flow logs? The flow logs is nothing but it's used to capture the information about IP address traffic. So going to and fro from the internet interface to your VPC. Okay, so it give you a detailed information about information including the source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols, and so on. Okay, so hope you understand this question. So if you like these questions, so please like, comment, share, subscribe. So if you're preparing for interview, please go through all these kind of interview questions. That will be really helpful for you to crack the interview very easily. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.